going to demonstrate how to place your AflexX LVE Assist Arm onto your chair. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the plastic protector and place the arm at a 10 o'clock position. Hold, and then you're going to pump here. There's a red line. Once the suction has grabbed the chair, you can see it, and the red line will be completely submerged into the pump. You then kink the LVE arm down so it makes this nice S shape. It's very, very stable that way. You're then going to take your LVE and place it into the clip here and place the hose clip. Put the hose in the hose clip. And another trick is you're going to have your LVE now at a candy cane style versus if you were kinking your saliva ejector like that. You do not no longer have to do that. I know why we do that because we are resting it on a molar, keeping it in place. But now, the longer the reach down into the back of the mouth, it's just better this way. So you're always going to grab your LVE like this. Don't grab it from here because it'll pull out. You can be very, very sturdy with this. This is a very strong arm. Now, when you're placing it in the mouth, you're going to bring it around and you're just going to place it like that. And it's going to stay in place with this kink here. It's like an S that comes through. And you can really see that right there. And this is down in the patient's mouth. And you just, when you